I've been with the company for 2 years. Started out as a field engineer and worked my way up into the assistant project manager role. I took an internship coming out of my senior year to be able to get the credits that I needed, and my internship was in residential solar system installation. And from there, I applied to CS Energy as a field engineer, and they hired me right off the bat. I work in the space where I want to be in employee talent development and retention here at CS Energy. I'd like to come in, talk to the students, try to see if they have any interest in going into solar, and I think CS Energy is a great place to start. So I really want to be that initial outreach to them so they can get their foot through the door and start their careers on a good path. When I was in the program, the first 2 years was, a healthy mix between hands-on experience and in-classroom learning, just about general systems and how they work and how we can apply them towards homes and commercial buildings. SUNY Morrisville students have a very good technical base, and being able to take that into a technical field really sets them up pretty well. The new building is absolutely beautiful. It's really good to see, the money that they put into it and how much I think it's going to benefit the students moving forward.